If you have a student who is making any changes to their lessons, maybe they're making their lessons longer or they're moving to a different day, anything like that, then you can report that by going to rightstartmusic.com/report and then clicking on this button in the middle that says report a change in a student's lessons. So you click on that. It'll take you to a form where you can fill out your name, you can fill out the customer's name, and then say, for example, if they were doing 30 minutes, but now they're going to do 45 minutes, you can just make it 45 minutes, say, oh, we're still doing Wednesdays, but it's now 45 minutes. And you put the first lesson date that they're moving to 45 minutes. So say that's the 22nd. You just click on that, you hit the submit button, and you should be good. Or maybe they're staying at 30 minutes, but now instead of Wednesday, they're doing Thursday. So then you'd put that down and then you'd say the first lesson is going to be the 23rd that we're doing at this new time. And then you hit the submit button, and then from there, it will get the confirmation message and you should be all set, and it'll let me know what's going on with all that. So if you have any questions about any of this, just give me a call or email me and I'm happy to help any way I can. Thanks so much.